Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can check your Twitch recap on your phone, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Twitch recap on your phone easily. So first off, you're going to go ahead and open up the Twitch app on your phone, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click at your profile here, and here you'll see this button, your Twitch recap 2025 has just landed. You're going to click on see recap then, and when you click on see recap, you'll see your Twitch recap. So here it is. You can see your Twitch recap as a viewer or as a community member. So I'm going to show you how my Twitch recap looks as a viewer. You're going to scroll down. Here you'll see how many hours I've watched on Twitch, how many days I've visited, what are my top categories on Twitch, who are my favorite streamers on Twitch, and how many chat messages I've sent. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to check your Twitch recap on your phone. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.